Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the SKIO brand, their metal detector. It's IP68 12-inch waterproof coil, higher accuracy, bigger LCD display, upgraded DSP chip, used for treasure hunting, includes headphones, 2 9-volt batteries, collapsible shovel with compass, rechargeable LED headlamp, and sturdy holding bag. Now there's a lot in this kit, and I'm going to use a pointer to point through everything. It does include a instruction manual telling you how to operate this. Let's just go over all the components right here. So it has 2 included 9-volt batteries. It has this headlamp, which is chargeable on the port right there with a micro USB connection, and the cable is included. That's a nice touch. And it has the coil right here. This is how it came in the box. Nothing is assembled yet. And there's the coil connection. There's a mechanical connection. There's the electrical connection. Here's the main display unit. Here's one of the arm connections. Here's other connections right here. We're going to go over all of those. In the back is headphones that it comes with, and this really nice durable bag that has a strap on there that holds the whole system after you assemble it, which is really nice. And it also includes this nice shovel and this really nice holder. It's all collapsible. So this opens up, and on the bottom of this there is a little compass, really nice. This screws in right here, and this is great for digging out something that you find. Then this just rotates like that, and then you turn this, and what it does, it puts tension on that pressure washer right there. Then you have a nice shovel for digging out with a compass. Really nice. On the back for the shovel and compass, there is a nice strap so that you can put it on your belt if you want to. So just going over the included headlamp, it has straps that you can adjust. And then it has LEDs in the front. There's a switch right there. It turns it on, and it has first the really strong center one, then some weaker, warmer outer ones, then a combination of everything, and then a blinking mode, and then off. Very simple. So the included pouch has a whole zippered section right here that you can open up to put the whole unit in there, and then it has a handle to hold it like that, and then on the back it has a strap so you can put it all the way around your shoulder, and then it has another zipper compartment right here where you can put that shovel. Then there's another compartment right here where you could add other components right there. Very nice, another whole zippered area, and then the whole thing zippers to close it all down. And this is really durable feeling, a real good tactile feel to a very good material. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the cover on the control unit, and you can see there's 2 9-volt plugs in there. We're going to install the included 9-volt batteries. So there they are installed, and you notice it has this connector right there. That's where the coil connection is going to go. So here's a better shot of the coil itself. See, it has a coil structure there and an outer coil structure there. It's 12 inches in diameter. And then there's the connector that's going to go on the actual unit head right there. The included headphones are nice quality. They're a 3.5 millimeter stereo plug. They've got the right label, the left label, and they do have adjustments for the height, and they are comfortable. They are foam lined. They're actually good quality. Now this piece right here, you notice it has a button you can push in, and that allows you to adjust the height of this. This end right here has a bushing. First we're going to do, we're going to install that on the coil, which has its own bushing. So before you install this, just so you understand, you have to loosen this and then you can push this and extend this piece out section by section. So there I have it installed using the plastic nylon bolt going through right there, and this is what allows you to be able to change the angle as you're searching. There's a tension adjustment right there. You can tighten it or loosen it. The next thing I'm going to install is this section right here, and this is what holds the main head unit. You have to put this under that latch right there, and then this screw right here goes up and it intersects a nut that's inside there. Just turn this clockwise and it locks this in place. After you've connected that, you want to turn this counterclockwise. That will lock this in place so it won't move. Now you want to take the head unit and compress this so that it could go in, and then that locks into the various positions on there, and then you can go to the left, actually go clockwise, and that locks it in place. Now you can put the coil connection into the head unit. It only goes in one direction, and then you can tighten that knurl right there to lock it in place. And then the final thing to do is to take the arm section and strap and compress there and push it in place, and then it locks it in place right there. Now when you do put that connection from the coil, you should loosely wrap it, just like I'm showing right here. And this is the proper way to use it and hold it. The strap can be adjusted for your arm, and then you hold it just like that, and then you have the head facing you as you're moving the search coil to find anything. On the bottom right of the head electronic unit is the 3.5 millimeter headphone plug that you want to plug in to hear the audio. So here I have the unit turned on, and you can see it does have a lit display. If you hit this lit button right here, I'm going to put the headphones near the camera so that we could pick up what's going on. When you first turn the unit on, you're going to hear some pulses. Let's turn this off again. High, medium, and low. Now the sensitivity is really down, and the first thing you want to notice is the sensitivity right there. There's a battery display right there letting you know. That's telling you that the backlight is on. You want to start off with a low sensitivity, then you could raise it, but at some point you're going to get interference because there's metal around in my kitchen. There's metal in the granite that's there. So let's just bring that up right before, let's say maybe there. There's also the option, if you hit the menu button, you could cycle through and you can see the discriminator mode, notch mode, AM mode, that's all, and then the volume right there. So the volume you could adjust how loud you want the sound to be. We're going to keep it kind of loud. And then you can go back to sensitivity. Now there is a way here, let's see, if you go to discrim, we could remove certain objects from being detected. So let's go to discriminator right there, and we could use the plus and minus button to discriminate against the different objects on this. So you see the iron I could remove, 5 cents I could remove, P-tab, S-cap, 1 cent, 10 cents, 25, and that's it. You can't remove the 25 cents or 50 cents or $1. Those are locked in place. But that way you can discriminate those things so that you don't get fooled about those particular objects. Now the manual does have a nice little chart right there, and it talks about how the tone is going to go for different materials: nickel, coins, copper, silver, and alloys, and what the digital target indication is in the range of the numbers right there. So that way you get an idea of what that number means when you're doing a sweep. As an example, if I increase the sensitivity, so that's going to pick up anything in the room and the metal that's in the counter, You can see it's giving me a depth gauge right there, letting you know how deep something is. So here it's just being fooled by the counter, so I'm going to drop the sensitivity back down. Now let's try the notch mode. We'll go to the menu. Notch mode right there. And then you have plus and minus keys for the different categories. So you can see you could put a category in there and then it'll help you detect that particular category. There's a lot to learn on something like this because it does have a nice display, but you got to learn how to use it. But in general, you want to learn how to use this by going out and trying it. But what I like is this lit display and the sensitivity of this and all the controls. This product seems to be constructed pretty nicely. It's comfortable to use, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. Hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.